Follow these steps to replace your Vendnovation Control Board. First, be sure to power off your machine. Then remove the cover from the slots like this.
Your board may be mounted differently, however, the operation is the same. There are different types of Vendnovation boards for different uses, however, the basic design and connections are the same.
We recommend snapping a picture of the control board connections so you know where to reconnect everything. Now you can remove the board connections: the Ethernet cable, the keypad, the I-bend, the door switch, the motors, the display, and the power. Unhook the control board from the 6 standoffs holding it in place. There are 3 on each side.
It is important to note the serial number on the old board and the new board. It is on the barcode on the right. It starts with PROSE.
Place the new control board on, attaching it to the 6 standoffs. Then attach the connections to the control board just like you found it.
Finally, place the cover in the slots like so. When you change out a Vendnovation board, you will need to call Vendnovation at 425-454-3264 to swap the board online. Choose option 1 for support. After replacing a board, you'll need to do a motor count and reset basic settings such as refrigeration and motor modes. Any other specialty settings such as IP addresses and prox reader settings will need to be updated as well.
For more assistance, contact Vendnet technical support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.